Come on, bro.
We need to...
You know the right answer. We have to get the scientists. They literally can create anything.
No, we need to save the civilians because they could make the population up and high again.
No, the scientists could literally do everything. They could do anything they want. You do not understand.
What about the construction builders?
You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab this grenade and shove it so far up
Everyone,
here.
shut up!
We are arguing over. We need to bring the scientists. We can't bring the stupid normal people.
We need to bring the civilians back.
For what?
Did you not hear?
No.
The
What?
bomb.
What
There's
bomb?
a bomb coming.
Rough Knots is getting jealous and they think we're taking all their ideas and they're nuking us!
You fools. Why didn't we discuss this sooner?
Here, Mr. President, come look at this data.
You fool! That says 30 seconds!
Oh. Everybody run! Guys, this place is cold down here.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Are you guys sure we want to go to this abandoned, stupid place? Guys, low-key, I actually heard someone died here once.
Yeah,
That's so
maybe they
cool.
left treasure or something.
Oh my gosh, guys. No wonder someone died here. The bar drop.
Come on, guys. Cannonball!
Oh, shoot. I mean, you only live once. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Frick! My face! My back! Frick!
I'll help you.
I can't move my
Oh
arm.
my gosh, guys!
Whoa! What's going on right now?
Ah!
What is that? Take cover.
Everybody take
You need to
cover!
take cover.
Oh shoot! Ow! What the heck did that come from?
Take cover. No! Run! Run! Come on!
Open!
Open!
Guys, get in!
Close it, close it, close it! Take cover, take cover!
I love you, Beans! Huh? Beans, talk! Guys! Guys! Help me! What is this? Help me! No! Beans, no! Beans! Beans, no! Bitch! Let me out of this elevator!
William, let's go bar down.
Why are you saying beans, bro?
Yeah, like, wait, guys, I gotta go to the bathroom. Open the door. Open the door. Where are we?
Your grandma's house!
You stupid idiot. We don't know where we're at.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wait, I have a map.
Bro.
You had a map
Statue
this
map.
whole time, bro?
Whoa. So, I have a map on my phone, and it's saying, warning, nuke. I think the nuke just went off, guys.
Wait, but doesn't that mean our families they're gone? No, this can't be happening.
Dude, how could this have happened? Is there any survivors? Should we be able to go outside? Dude.
This can't be happening, bro.
Grandma.
This is the last memory of my family. Actually, okay, guys, let's go.
Yeah, I'm done. Alright, no more crying.
Let's go explore,
no
guys.
more chores.
Oh, I wonder where this leads to. Guys, it's pretty dark out there. Get your flashlights. Holy Hannah, what is this place, bro?
Why is it so dark?
Guys, I think we can crash here for tonight. Look,
Yeah.
couch.
Holy crap, bro. I've dreamed of this since I was a kid, bro. It's beautiful.
It's like that one scene in the Lego movie, guys.
Oh, yeah, bro. This
bunk.
brings so much nostalgic memories, bro.
Dude, there's another couch up here, too.
Dang.
Oh, look, another couch. Oh, look, a can of beans. You guys want beans?
Dude, do not eat those beans, bro. Let me look at this.
Give me those.
Expired 1967, bro. What are you doing? This place is abandoned, bro.
I was hungry, man.
Yeah, let's find something to eat. Ooh, egg.
Hey, don't touch that egg. I need to cook it first. Give it.
I'm gonna hit the road, guys. I'm going to bed. Guys, shut up! I'm trying to sleep!
Oh, guys, I think that was a bad egg.
Wake up, flashbang, through the door.
Take that! Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get some loneliness. Oh, that's a that's a nuke suit.
Yo.
It's called a hazard suit, actually.
Shut your Oh my gosh, this is sick. Oh look, guys, an exit.
Dude.
So I'm still stuck to my skin.
Look at those losers.
Got my phone full of screenshots of every wild thing I'm in. And keep the golden glamour. I got scales in the grin. Talking big fins.
Ow, my arm. Whoa. Guys, you might want to come check this out. Oh, look how big it is out there. Joseph, look how big it is, bro.
Whoa.
Last one
I
there.
think we gotta start.
Last one there likes little girls. What?
Oh shoot, I tripped.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, I tripped.
Ah! Boy, get you! Oh my gosh, look at all that space! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you!
Guys, what is that?
What the? Whoa.
Guys, we should probably run.
We should go. He's
Subscribe to Lightning Ducky OfficerFord.